Welcome in, my name is Sweet Phil, and right here in this video, you're going to hear sound effects that are absolutely completely free to download, and you're completely free to use. You'll never get a copyright strike or anything like that. All YouTubers use these sound effects because you will never get in trouble for using them. Now let's jump into them, hear them, and don't forget there's a link in the description where you can download this entire pack completely for free. And remember, you will never get in trouble for using any of these sound effects, and you can use them in any type of video editor that you have.